Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best hardwood floor brooms in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is the FURemover broom with telescopic handle. Made with a soft rubber head, this extendable broom can get dirt and pet hair from practically any surface. It also makes the perfect hardwood floor broom because the bristles are very soft. The adjustable handle is super easy to fit to your preferred size. It is also one of the best brooms for a hardwood floor because of the angled bristles. It works perfectly to get rid of spills, dust buildup and pet hair. It requires little to no maintenance. You can easily wash off all the dust, pet hair, human hair, and dust bunnies. Soapy water should be enough to remove any unwanted debris. It takes little time to dry, and storage is not an issue as it stands upright. The straight bristles make it the best hardwood floor broom. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Electric Broom. For fast, cordless, and spotless hardwood flooring, you can use this broom and dustpan all in one. Apart from being one of the best brooms to combat pet hair and dust, it also has a quiet operation. So for people who prefer a quiet and dust-free experience, this is the broom for them. Additionally, it has a dustpan that is very easy to empty. All you have to apply is thoroughly shake out all the contents and slip it back on. Lastly, it lasts for 60 minutes on a single charge. This means you have 60 minutes to clean and remove fur before it runs out of charge. However, after charging, it can go cordless, which is a bonus because there is no tripping over wires. It is very compact and doesn't take up much storage space. It stores standing upright, and you won't have to worry about cleaning it either. The handle is adjustable for people with different heights. Number 3. Our third best pick is OXO Good Grips Large Sweep Set with Extendable Broom. Designed with flagged bristles, this broom is perfect for any type of hardwood floor. The bristles also increase the overall surface area of the broom head to ensure maximum collection of dust and dirt. Additionally, it comes with a dustpan that has a comb which makes it easier to clean off the dirt. It has an adjustable handle so that any user can use it at the preferred height. The handle also retracts and easily snaps into the dustpan set for easy storage. The flagged bristles are very helpful when it comes to the included dusting brush. It is a handy little tool for removing lint and pet hair from upholstery. The handle is made from lightweight aluminum to make it easier to use, even on a hardwood floor. The broom and dustpan itself are suitable for use in large areas and therefore perfect for indoors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Comlywell Rubber Broom. Ideal for cleaning up pet hair, this rubber push broom is perfect for any hardwood floor. In addition, it is the perfect broom to trap dust and debris. This rubber broom is perfect for carpets and all floor surfaces, including any hardwood floor. It also has an inbuilt squeegee that helps to clean wet spills, as well as windows and other flat surfaces. The bristles are washable and don't require much maintenance. The handle is adjustable and ensures that it is suitable for anyone of any height. The design is portable and compact for easy storage and transportation. It doesn't take up much space. The included hand brush is suitable for getting pet hair off couches, beds, and carpets. It pulls out fur in places where it's hard to reach them by hand. When you have pets that shed, even when you vacuum hardwood floors, it might not be enough to get rid of all the hair. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is the Treeland Broom Set. This hardwood floor broom comes with both the broom and dustpan set. It can stand upright without any assistance and comes with its own storage as well. Furthermore, it has recycled plastic bristles which are easy to clean on the dustpan. The dustpan has an angled rubber liner with a comb attached to clean the bristles of the broom. It is one of the most suitable hardwood floor brooms because it measures 52 inches in height. The height ensures that you don't strain your back when sweeping up all the dirt from your hardwood floors. The handle is also made from lightweight aluminum to ensure that this versatile broom doesn't disappoint or break during use. It is also suitable for multiple surfaces, and you can use it to sweep up large debris as well as fine dust particles. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.